So our strategy for week 3 is similar to our strategy from week 2 because we saw that across the board in both ELA and math, this is an area we need to continue to push our practice. Investing in the question. Now, when we are in math, this means we are thinking about and annotating for what are our knowns, what are our unknowns, and what are we trying to solve, especially if it is a word problem, because we know sometimes those word problems take more than one step. And we know that if we don't invest in the question, it can be very hard to make a plan to solve. So in math, we want to see everybody this week. What are your knowns? What are your unknowns? What are you trying to solve? Especially when it is a word problem. In ELA, you should also be investing in the question, right? Reading it 2 times carefully, underlining your key terms, breaking the question into smaller parts and thinking about what is this asking me in my own words. So let's continue this week to invest in the question. Now I'm getting a message that says refresh the screen. Loving this for us on a Monday. Give me a moment. Can I have someone else refresh and share screen? Because my ability to multitask is, we're going to say needs improvement. So we are going to get our academic awards up and going. At this point, I need us all in our seats. If you're in 8th grade spinning in circles like you are the prima ballerina, go ahead and take a seat. And I will make sure that everyone can share the screen. Got a couple more families in. All right. Here we go. We are almost at the moment we've all been waiting for, which is our, I believe it would be, or I don't know if you're on the right slide, Miss Colgan, but we're going to go with it because I believe that it is week 2 awards we're giving out because we're going into week 3. Just double check that your slides are in order and that you're in the right place. Great. Okay. Here we go. Let's get ready, folks. Whenever you're ready, Miss Colgan. Loving this. Not sure if it's moving on you. Okay, here we go. To the highest growth scholars in the school in ELA, we have, drum roll please, Adriana Gordillo in 6th grade and Jaslyn Diaz. Woo! All right, highest growth scholars last week. We are proud of you. That means your scores improved more than any 2 kids in the school. You are the highest in growth. Congratulations. For achievement in ELA, being the highest absolute performance. Drum roll, please. We've got in 5th grade, Fatu and Harper, honorable mention, Aviana. 6th grade, we've got Madison and Kamaya. In 7th, we have Sabella and Kylie. 8th, we've got Camilla and Joy Johnson. Woo! We should definitely see some cheering. Congratulations to our highest achievers who are going on the Hall of Fame in the 1st floor. All right. Now for our week 3 math awards. I got to take these glasses off because they're tripping me out. Here we go. So highest growth in the school for math this week. Well, last week. Drum roll. Chloe. Let's go 5th grade. Adriana. It's not a typo. Adriana took highest growth in ELA and in math last week. Let's give it up for our highest growth scholars. And Chloe, I told you, invest in the question, and we do not cry over quizzes. Highest growth in the school, we are proud of you. Amazing. Math achievement, here we go, friends. The highest performing scholars in 5th grade, Harper and Aaron. In 6th grade, Delaney and Madison. Woo! 7th, Somali and Addis. Woo! Here we go. Smith sisters are on a roll here this week. And now, for the moment that we've really been waiting for, the advisory, who will receive the Blossom Award this week for the highest growth in performance in the school, who will be entered in the contest for the grand prize of mastery season, is, drum roll please, Amanda Gorman. All right, I just saw Madison Hitler James lose her mind. Do not do a cartwheel in that room, but congratulations, Amanda Gorman. Our 8th grade advisory with the highest growth will receive the Blossom Award. Miss Cardasis is running down to steal it from Serena Williams and deliver it to Amanda Gorman. Now the challenge is out, my friends. This has been 8th grade 2 weeks in a row. I need another grade to come for them. We cannot let the seniors take the highest growth every single week. So 7th grade, 6th grade, 5th grade, we are challenging you this week to do 2 things. Number 1, take the Dern Blossom Award from 8th grade. And number 2, your challenge is going to be to hide from the paparazzi. Now, I want to be really clear. Come Friday, we're going to celebrate with our 3rd Spring Spirit Friday. Miss Strong's going to be more prepared for this one because I can easily replicate the photo to the right as long as I put on my basketball hoodie. But I want to be clear, the GIF to the left, this is not our transition down to recess. Okay, that's not what we're doing. To be clear, my friends. Woo! I see you, Amanda Gorman, with the Blossom. That is not indeed our transition out to recess. But that is an example of someone hiding from the paparazzi, which you, my friends, are going to try to do because the paparazzi will be in the building on Friday trying to snap shots of the celebrities who are killing it in mastery season. But remember, in order to dress down, you cannot have any send outs. You cannot have any lunch reflections, my friends. That means you are on your best behavior. I believe that's the last slide for today, but I'm going to give you 2 reminders from Friday. Your IXL challenge is on this week. You had over the weekend. Some folks probably got on over the weekend. I wouldn't be surprised if Santana somehow already tried to get in the lead. But we are looking for most questions answered correctly on assigned skills. So it's got to be on the skills that your teachers are assigning you. And our prep point focus this week is motivation. We want to see that you are continuing to lean in and demonstrating motivation. You are using your strategies. You are starting right away. You are supporting each other and celebrating one another along the journey because this work is hard, but you were made to do hard things and you've got this. So in these last 3 minutes, you're going to get yourselves ready to transition into first period. And we are excited to see everything that you are going to accomplish this week. Yes, thank you, Ms. Thomas. If you are in a small group, my friends, you got to go to small group. You cannot ditch small group for IXL, although we love the energy. Got to go to the small group. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Congratulations. Kaya, I'm glad you don't have a gum in your mouth because we would be able to see it. Ayo. Have a wonderful day, ladies. Bye. Thank you, Kaya.